Hari Om children, this is exercise number 7.2, sum number 4. A conical container is fully filled with petrol. So it is a conical container. The radius is 10 centimeter. So radius it is 10 centimeter and height is 15 meter. So it is not centimeter, it is meter only. Radius is 10 meter and the height is 15 meter. Okay, height is equal to 15 meter. Now the container can release the petrol through its bottom at the rate of 25 cubic meter per minute. In how many minutes the container will be emptied? Round off your answer to the nearest minute. Now the conical container must be drawn upside down. I have drawn it reversed. I'll draw once more. Okay. Now the height of the conical container is 15 meter. Radius is 10 meter. This is fully filled with petrol, and from the bottom petrol is released. Released at the rate of 25 cubic meter per minute. Petrol released 25 cubic meter per minute. We have to find out in how many minutes the container will be emptied. Now let us find the volume of the conical container. Okay. Formula: volume of the cone equals 1 by 3 pi r squared h cubic units. Now substitute 1 by 3 into pi, keep it as such because h and r is 15 and 20, so it will be not divisible by 7. So keep it as such, r squared 10 into 10, 10 squared into 15. Now you can cancel here. Ten squared is 100, 100 into 5, this pi will come as such, which is equal to 100 into 5 is 500. So volume is equal to 500 pi, it is meter cube. Now the next step, to empty the petrol, of 25 meter cube of petrol. Is it not? Cubic meter or meter cube, both are same. The time taken is time taken is 1 minute. Time taken 1 minute. If the container can release the petrol through its bottom at the rate of 25 cubic meter per minute. Per minute it can release 25 cubic meter of petrol. So the full petrol must be emptied through this bottom. Okay. So how many minutes does it take? So time taken is 1 minute to empty 25 meter cube of petrol. Okay. Therefore time taken to empty, what is the volume of the cone we have found out? Volume of the cone is 500 pi meter cube. To empty 500 pi meter cube of petrol, what we have to do? 500 pi is 22 by 7. 22 by 7. Time taken for 25 meter cube is 1 minute. The whole divided by this 25. Now take this 25 to the numerator. It will become 500 into 22 by 7 into 1 into denominator is 1 here. 1 by 25. Shall we eliminate now? 125 is 25. 2 25s are 50, 0. Now the remaining will be 20 into 22 the whole divided by 7. Multiply it. 22 into 22 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 440 divided by 7. So you can divide here itself. 440 divided by 7. 6 sevens are 42. Remainder 2, 20. 2 sevens are 14. Remainder 6, 60. 8 sevens are 56. Remainder 4, 40. 5 sevens are 35. Remainder 5, 50. 7 sevens are 49. Remainder 1, 10. 1 7 is 7. Remainder 3, 30, and it goes on like that. So you will get an approximate value only, which is equal to 62.8571. Now we are going to 71 minutes it is. Shall we round off? So 1 will go off. Add 1. Since it is above 5, you will get 62.86. Again it is above 5. Add 1. 62.9. Again add 1, which is equal to 63 minutes. Approximately. So time taken, they have asked you to round off to your nearest answer to the nearest minute. Okay. The container will be emptied in 63 minutes. So after completing the question, underline the solution. With this, sum number 4 in exercise number 7.2 is completed. Hari Om.